G'day, this is a teardown of the Antec 380 watt power supply. This particular model came in a Antec case. I don't believe I can buy these power supplies off the shelf, not the 380 watt anyway. I can buy the 350 watt. On the bottom here it says made in China, copyright 2009. So I'm assuming the power supply is about 6 years old. Also, it's has the 80 plus bronze certification. That would mean that at between 25 and 75% load, it would be 85% efficient. The customer called up and said that the computer wasn't working, and when I looked at the machine, the power light had a 50 Hertz flicker to it. So to me, this power supply was not producing DC, but some sort of AC to the computer. Let's pull it apart, shall we? Antec would have to be one of my favourite brands. I prefer to use branded power supplies. I think they're better. But to be honest, to prove that, I really can't. It's a bit of faith, I guess. When you compare the weight of one of these to a similar cheap branded, same wattage type power supply, these better branded power supplies are definitely heavier. I'm just bending this back, being a bit lazy with the screws there. Looking at the internals, I really don't see anything out of place, blackened, dissolved. Let's have a closer look. Here we can see the back of here we can see the back of the circuit board. Looks fine to me. Power supplies are something I don't repair. Power supply's dead, doesn't work, I put a new one in. So my purpose for pulling this power supply apart is simply to have a look inside, show you guys what's there. I'm a little bit stuck on the socket there. Since this is a dead power supply, I'm going to cut. Here we go. E. So I can't see anything wrong with it. Well, you know it's buggered, but nothing's showing itself. There's a small subboard on the side here. Bend this down. Some more cutting involved. Before I thought I saw some damage to one of the transistors, so I cut into the board, typically destroying it. I cut all the case away and the wires, and what I was trying to look at was this last transistor over here. Just looking through the top, I thought I could see some sort of blowout or damage to the transistor, but in fact what was there's a piece of insulation tube around one of the legs. So actually the transistors look good, but I have a funny feeling this will never work again. I just want to show you the A+ bronze certification. 85% at half load on both 115 volts and 232/40 volts. I did say 25 to 75%, I was a little bit wrong there, sorry.